Thanks.
Mr. Chair.
Paul Goldsmith.
Mr. Chair, thank you very much. I have been a little surprised by the extent of probing questions I've had from my side of the House on my ability to accurately describe this bill in the title. But I had given some thought. I mean, it could conceivably have just been Electronic Transactions Amendment Bill, but what I wanted to achieve by adding the contract formation was to draw people's attention to that part of the bill which is about trying to give clarity. And I did note a certain snide element to one or two of the speeches on the other side, particularly from New Zealand First, implying that this was a minor bill. But there can be no more important task, in my opinion, Mr. Chair, than to ensure the rule of law in contracts is effective and operational in this country. And we are living in very dynamic times where the mode of communications is changing rapidly, and we want to make sure that business people and individuals have a measure of clarity when they are trying to transact their businesses. And at the moment there is that lack of clarity, and that's why this bill, I have chosen Electronic Transactions Contract Formation Amendment Bill. I did consider waiver of the Postal Acceptance Bill, which was proposed by Kanwal Bagshi, my colleague. But I think it's important. I think it's important because it amends the Electronic Transactions Act that we needed to include that in the bill, in the title. Otherwise, people would be confused as to which piece of legislation that it was amending. And so that's where I fell on this one. I don't think we need to add any more. But I don't think we measure the importance of the contribution that a piece of legislation brings to the economy and to the country by the number of pages that it has. This bill I would describe as small but perfectly formed. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The question is that Clause 1 stand part. Those of that opinion will say aye. Contrary, no. The ayes have it. Question now is that Clause 2 stand part.
Mr. Chair.
Paul Goldsmith.
Thank you, Mr.